So today I'm going to be mounting, hopefully this goes well, I'm going to be cutting out holes in the van, putting in some windows. I have awning style windows and they're going to be going on each side, the pillbox style. They're the van windows direct, and I checked them to make sure the glass isn't broken. They all look good, and I'm going to figure out the placement, but I'm going to go on both sides. Try to film a little bit of it. Doing it with a friend of mine, so hopefully this goes well. I'm looking forward to it because I got some camping trips coming up. We're going up to Acadia for 2 weeks in July 1st, the 1st to the 12th or something like that. We're going up to Portland for a concert, and then we're going to be going to Acadia. So looking forward to this trip. Right now the van situation is a little sad. I just don't have any time. I got busy time of the year for me for work, and just gonna be what it's gonna be, unfortunately. The hole is cut. I got one of the hottest days and I decided I'm going to do the hitch. So these are the windows I installed. Here's a good look at them. They're an awning window. They're from Van Windows Direct. And I just installed these the other day. I'm trying to start getting this van built to use, and basically these open up. I think it's 3.5 inches. First I was concerned my placement. I thought I was going to maybe hit the sliding door. It does not hit. The thing I was going to do was you can actually adjust these so you can make them go in closer. So I was going to do that, but not necessary, as you can see. So I did one on each side, and it really helps out with the airflow. So that's that, and I'm going to be installing Curtis hitch later on today. You can see that's what it looks like on the outside. So yeah, there we have it. There's one on this side. Measuring took the longest time, and there's the other one on this side, so came out great.